Good evening, everyone. In today's English podcast, I'm going to talk with a girl who secured a 91.83 percentage from MGGS Khadagda, a place which is known for Kshetrapal Temple and Moran Nadi. So, why should we wait it? Let's move ahead and talk to her. First of all, congratulations to you for great achievement in 10th board. You secured 91.83 percentage. Please give your intro.
My name is Krishna Joshi. My father name is Satish Chandra, who is a teacher and a heartfulness meditation trainer. My mother name is Chetna Joshi. Also, she is a teacher and heartfulness guider. My brother name is Parth, and I am studying in Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Khadagda. I scored 91.83% in 10th board.
Wow, 91.83 percentage. She secured studying in government, Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Khadagda. Really, a great team supported her and she secured here. And also we heard that her parents, her father and mother is a teacher. And also heartfulness trainer. It means meditation. Really, it's very helpful for our body here. Let's move ahead. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is that I love to painting, playing badminton, and reading books also in free time whenever I bored.
Yes. Spend time with other curricular activities because it will boost you. It will give extra freshness to your mind here, and we should also keep that type of hobbies here. We should not be introvert. We should outward also here. Actually, you secure 91.83 percentage. It's not very easy. You made it easy because you made some strategic planning. Have you made any study plan? If you made, please tell us.
Yes, I made the plan as following. I study 5 hour daily. I give particular time to every subject. I studying in evening night time before meal because this is the best time for me. And I revise every chapter according to me.
Okay. Okay. What were the hours that you followed at night time?
After meal, 8 hours something, 8 to 10, 11. I give 1 hour to maths, 1 hour to SST, and 1 hour to science, and Hindi, English, and Sanskrit. I will give half an hour.
Would you follow this timetable whole year?
Yes, and particularly when board exam comes, I increase my study time to 12 to 1 a.m., 1 p.m.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yes, she increase the time when exam comes near because when exam comes, that type we just overwhelmed and just get type of stress in the mind here. Have you got any kind of stress? Because stress automatically will come when we settle any kind of target, and to achieve that target, we get that type of stress in the mind here. Definitely, it will come. So, have you got any kind of stress while studying?
Yes.
Yes, if you get. So, how did you manage?
First, I believe in myself that I can do, and I will meditate uh, half an hour or 15 minutes when I am in stress, and I talking with my parents and spend with my time with my brother.
Yes, yes, really. Her parents, father and mother, both are teachers as well as motivator, guider, and master trainer of heartfulness. It means they know how to meditate. She spent time with meditations. She did some time with mother and father in cooking in many other field here. So that's why we reduce our stress because it's a very important things to reduce stress while studying here. Have you made any revision planning? Because it's very important because it affects the result. If you follow revision planning, you will get good marks here. So have you made any revision planning? If yes, then tell us.
Yes, I will made revision planning. Uh, Before coming to school, I revise the chapter which is studying in school, and when board exam comes, I revise every subject 2 to 3 times, which prepare me mentally that I can do board exams perfectly.
Yes, yes. Revision is very essential. If you have settled your goal and you want to get something especially, so you just make revision planning. What the teacher teaches you and taught you in the school campus, come and revise it. And when course completed, increase the time as she did, as Karishma did it here. Let's move ahead and tell me, many of the students are struggling when they have studied total chapter, revised total chapter, when they sit to give exam, that time they struggle how to attempt paper. That question disturb them. That dilemma disturb them. So, what should be the idea and how should we attempt the paper? Please tell us.
First, we read all the paper within 15 minutes and then do complete the paper in series, because the examiner will impress and give you more marks. Write in neat and clean writing, because examiner check your handwriting too, and highlight main points that examiner focus on them, uh, and do not panic when paper is come.
Yes. So it's very important here while attempting the exam. First of all, we have to do questions sequentially. Do questions sequentially, it will affect the checker. Second thing here, underline the exact answer. Because whatsoever you're writing in the paper, in the answer booklet here, underline exact answer. It will be read by the checker and will provide you the good marks here. Paper must be completed before 15 minutes, because these 15 minutes will help you to revise, recheck the paper answers, and you will correct it. Do neat and clean work. Okay, so follow this strategy to get the good marks in 10th board, as she followed and got 91.83 percentage here. In which subject did you get highest marks?
SST
Oh yes. What marks?
98.
98 marks in SST. So did you follow any extra effort? Yes, tell us.
Yes. I prepare my own notes by support of my teacher. My SS teacher, Mr. Hemendra Singh Rathod ji sir, which guide me and my classmates too. He supports me very much, and I thank him for his support, and I revise every topic, every concept of SST, and prepare a notes which help me to quick revise before the exam.
Yes, yes, really. She followed what teacher taught her, what teacher guided her, and she herself determined that I will have to get good marks. That's why she got 98 marks out of 100 in 10th RBC board. So it's very appreciate for the teachers also and the team MGGS below Kharagda 2 year. Have you used mobile phone during the board examinations?
Yes, little bit.
Little bit here. So for what purpose have you used mobile?
For studying.
Okay, so mobile is very useful. When you get any kind of doubt, you can solve from mobile here. So we can use mobile, but it should be used positively. Because if you use it negatively, spending time only, so it will affect your result. It will decrease your marks too. Okay, so to increase your knowledge and we want to do something special to get some idea, you can use mobile here and move ahead that way here. So I'm just telling you, she secured 91.83 percentage in studying in Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Kharagda, government school which is known for experienced qualified teachers, where students studied without paying fee, without paying any money for the books. Everything is free, no fee, and they will get scholarship and many more facilities studying in government school. So why should we wait? Just come and enroll your children in government school here. Actually, whenever we are getting good marks, the highest marks, and 90 above marks, and many more things here, to achieve that type of goal, someone supported us. Without the cooperation support of someone, we cannot achieve this type of goal here. So she secured 91.83% because someone supported her, someone guided her. So maybe they are parents, maybe they are teachers. The first I'm asking you, how did your parents support you, guide you, to manage you?
First, I thank my parents to support me a lot. They give me all materials to study and all they support me in my studying. They are the part of this journey. They also
Yes, yes, carry on. Make food.
my mother make food for me. She give me water, tea, or coffee when I was lazy in studying, and they are cooperating me in every time. They will believe me that I scored that marks, so he support me very much.
Yes, yes, yes. Really great things here. Without the support and guidance of the parents, no one can. Not only Krishna, but anyone can achieve that target here. Parents, whose debt we cannot repay. We cannot repay the debt of the parents because their support is unpayable, because they are doing everything for the development of their children. Yes, so we should not miss here. We can give them a smile by securing good marks here, because we cannot repay their what they are doing for here. So appreciate the parents, what parents are saying, adopt to that what parents are wanted, because we can repay that things by giving them a smile, by scoring good marks in your board classes here. Teachers of MGGS Kharadda also guided you. Okay, so what role your teachers play for your development?
Our teachers play an important role in my this journey. First, my class teacher, Mr. Hemendra Singh Rathod ji sir, who supports me very much, and my principal, Paresh ji Dikshit, who gives me facilities to overcome problems, solving doubts, and give many facilities. Uh, Next, my maths teacher, Mr. Chinmay Bhatt ji sir, who teaches us maths very easily. He clear every doubt of maths. Next, Suresh ji Patidar sir, who teaches us science, which he is very brilliant that he can teaches us every concept that directly that directly supports us. It is easy to learn. Next, my Sanskrit sir, which teaches us Sanskrit, Manoj ji Patidar sir, which is very frankly to us. Next, Namrata Dikshit ma'am, who is not a teacher, he is a mother. Our relation is not a daughter, not a teacher or a student, but also a mother and teacher. He guides me like a mother. He supports me, and Neeta Patidar ma'am, who is our Hindi teacher, he also supports me. She also supports me very much, and I thank to all other teachers who supports me. They all are legends for me.
Wow, nice here. Because she secured 90 above marks because of the support of teachers. They taught her nicely. They solved her doubt. They appreciated her. She made positive environment in the school campus. And this whole thing happened with the cooperation of the teachers and their leader, Mr. Parejit Dikshit. Whole team, the entire team of MGG's Kharadda is really experienced and brilliant. I really thanks to all team that being part of the government, you are making the student perfect. So it's a very good things for one and all friends here. How was the environment of your school where you studied?
Whenever I enter my school, it is a peaceful and enjoyable environment. Teachers guide us, motivate us, and give confidence to make something, and they are best.
Yes, school premises after entering the school, when you feel positive to do something new after entering there, it means that school is very nice. As Krishna told us she liked the school very much, because if you love this school, if you love the study, it means you will move ahead to get something, to something nice in education field here. So really great and charming idea she got here, and she get it because of the teacher, because of her parents, because of her own dedication and hard work. Because we cannot achieve anything when we not determine ourselves to achieve anything. If you yourself determine that I have to get this target, and for getting this target you make a planning, and to execute that planning you do hard work and hard work, and keep your dedication fully there. And during that time when you hesitate, when you feel stressed, your parents or teacher guide you, motive you, nothing will be removed, you can achieve anything. Okay, so it's a nice thing you suggested, you told us about this matter here. Many of the learners, those who will appear 10th board in this session here, 2026-27 year, and they will be worrying about the exam, what will happen in the exam year. So would you like to inspire those students? Please inspire them.
I say for my juniors who are uh, giving the exam of board this year, I will say that believe in yourself. You can do anything. Yeah, you do not panic. Say calm and do meditation for our do meditation for mind, and meditation help us to focusing on studying. Meditation creates a positive environment around us, we can which can help us in our studies. And I can do, so you can do.
Yes, yes. The main motto behind her achieving this goal here is only that part, that she decided her goal. To get that target, she did hard work and connected with the meditation, because her father is a master trainer. I guess we can tell this master trainer in meditation field heartfulness here. So she got that type of idea, that type of support from her parents. So whenever you feel that type of stress, you just do meditation, because meditation will give boost to you from inside, because it will very helpful to create a positive vibration here. So that type of things happen when you yourself have to prepare. Okay, have you settled your target before uh, getting good marks?
Yes.
Okay, what was your target?
uh, that I am studying government school. Someone says that you are studying government school. How you score that marks? The government school, the teachers are very intelligent because they pass a very toughest exam. And someone say that you are studying government school. How can you do? I will say that government school are best than private.
Yes. Okay. She settled a goal, made her mind, and she made her mind studying in government school. Studying in government, how can how can't I get that marks here? So she proved her talent. So first of all, last thing I want to say here, just settle your goal. That I will get 90%, 85%, 70, whatsoever you want. Write down there and make a plan. As Krishna told us, make plan. And for executing the plan, do regular study. And when you stuck in the middle of learning, when you feel stress, contact your parents, talk to your parents, talk to your teachers, talk to your relatives, whomsoever. Everyone will support you, and when no one support you, mobile will support you, but use it for positive way here. So it's a very charming way here. Mr. Lovo channel, the main motto of this channel is to create awareness in Swagad era. I am here to talk to the student, to speak in front of the camera freely, frankly, without using Hindi. So that type of environment I want to create. That's why I'm taking podcast of the student among us to these areas. So first of all, I want to suggest to one and all guys here, please visit my channel, Mr. Lowood, and also tell you, not only this channel taking English podcast, but also it includes many more things like as free English campaign, free English teaching campaign. It will run from July to Feb. Okay, you will register there. Also classroom content I am going to make, so many more things you will get there, so don't miss here. I want to miss Krishna to here. Please, what do you want to tell our viewers about my channel, Mr. Lovoth?
First, I thank to Lovo channel to supporting me and create social media, create me on social media, because this is chance to a chance to getting more confidence on social media. Thank you, Lovo channel.
Okay, she told everyone, don't forget to subscribe and like, share to here, because it will be helpful one and all guys here. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube channel. Thank you.